Our top story, rail passenger fares will cost considerably more starting this month. The Minister Pawan Bansal announced that it wasn't going to be possible to avoid a raise in fares which hadn't changed for the last 10 years. So train fares have increased in every class, varying from 2 paise per kilometre in second class trains to 10 paise per kilometre in Rajdhani trains. So a long train journey like Delhi to Chennai by Rajdhani Express will cost 318 rupees more.
The plan, as you are again aware, last year's plan was of course 44,500 crores. We wish to take it to 60,100 crores this year. Because of the rollback, it had to be then brought down. And because of the subsequent events, like the slowdown of the economy and its impact on the railways, again has led down to further revision, which I think will limit the plan to, this is a rough estimate presently, this will likely to limit the plan estimate to about 51,000 crores in this year. So keeping all these things in view and the imperative to not reduce the allocations on safety measures and the cleanliness on which I have tried to lay emphasis during this period of 2.5 months. We, after all the deliberations, careful consideration of all the issues, have decided to effect an increase in the fare hike with effect from 21st of this month.
Well, the hike in railway tariff is concerned, surely it is going to have a cascading effect on the poor common man who are already reeling under the impact of inflation, which is close to 10% as far as food inflation is concerned. I'm sure while talking about subsidy cuts or tariff rise, if the government assures the nation about determination to check corruption, maybe Indians will feel a little better.
Hike in the fares, passengers' fares, announced by the Railway Minister and the Railway Ministry is unacceptable. There is no rationality in what the Railway Ministry has announced today. At a time when the common people are suffering due to high prices and inflation, this announcement will lead to cascading impact.
NTV's Alok Pandey now joins us for reactions from the railway station. Alok, politically, the opposition, the left, the BJP, the Trinamool have totally rejected this hike. But do the people, are they accepting it, seeing that it's coming after almost a decade?
Well, let's hear it from the people themselves. Sunetra, I have these two people here, the gentleman and the lady. They're both sports people. They've come from Maharashtra. Sir, आपका नाम?
महेश चावला जी, पुणे।
पुणे से आए हैं। क्या करते हैं आप?
मैं स्पोर्ट्स कोच हूँ, या बच्चों के लेकर आया था इधर।
तो ये बताइए कि आप तो लोग तो ट्रेन से बहुत चलते होंगे, आप लोग स्पोर्ट्स में काम करते हैं, इधर उधर पूरा देश में चले हैं। अभी बंसल साहब कह रहे हैं कि फेयर हाइक जरूरी है, कह रहे हैं कि सेफ्टी के लिए, आप लोग का सुविधा के लिए, ट्रेन में जिस तरह सफाई होता है, इस सब के लिए पैसा और आएगा, रेवेन्यू और आएगा, तो ज्यादा सुविधा दे पाएंगे। आप मानते हैं इस बात को?
मैं मानता हूँ इस बात को, लेकिन पिछले वादों का क्या हुआ, जो पिछले मार्च के बजट में सरकार ने किए थे, वो वादे पहले पूरे करनी चाहिए थे, फिर बाद में किराया बढ़ेगा तो अच्छा रहता था।
ये बताइए, आप लोग इतना ट्रेन में चलते हैं, ट्रेन में जिस तरह की सुविधाएं हैं और जिस तरह का आप किराया देते हैं, आपको लगता है कि उसमें आपको और सुविधा मिल सकता है? जरूरी है और सुविधा देना?
हाँ, वो उतनी सुविधा मिल सकती है, लेकिन अभी क्या है, गवर्नमेंट उस पर ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दे रही, खाली पैसा कलेक्ट कर रही है।
आपका नाम क्या है?
ज्योति काटकर।
आप क्या करती हैं?
पुणे DSO में क्रिकेट कोच हूँ।
क्रिकेट कोच हैं। आप भी पूरे देश में चलती हैं, आपसे भी मैं वही सवाल पूछूंगा कि बंसल साहब जो रेल मंत्री हैं कह रहे हैं कि जरूरी है फेयर हाइक, नहीं तो जो बहुत लॉस में चल रहा है रेलवे, लेकिन आपको लगता है जो फैसिलिटीज रेलवे दे रहा है करंटली वो एडिक्वेट है?
नहीं सर, नहीं, फेयर तो बढ़ना चाहिए, नहीं बढ़ना चाहिए वो तो पार्ट अलग है, मगर उसमें फैसिलिटी आनी चाहिए। अगर फेयर बढ़ा रहे तो उस मुताबिक वो जो फैसिलिटी और बढ़ानी चाहिए, जो अभी कुछ भी नहीं है, जो हम देते हैं अभी उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है।
So there you have it, and I have to say very frankly, Sunetra, even you and I will agree. I mean, we don't mind paying, say, 100 rupees extra if you and I have to travel from here to Havra. But the kind of the situation, at least the facilities that exist in our trains, would surely like something more to be done, better facilities to be there. And then if there is a fare hike, then it is perhaps justified, or at least now that there has been a fare hike, we certainly as passengers need much better facilities at our railway stations and in our trains.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.